Hello everyone, quick video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset OKX wallet password. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to open up your OKX wallet. Now once you're in here, locate this icon right here, which has multiple dots. Tap on it. Once you're in here, go ahead and locate the wallet security section. Alright, once you have it located, locate the password icon. Alright, click on it. Now once you're in here, simply tap on reset wallet. If you haven't yet, go ahead and make a backup. Note here that if you reset your wallet without backing it up, you will permanently lose all assets inside. Be sure to back up all your wallets and keep the seed phrases safe before resetting. Alright, once you have it all figured out, just go ahead and simply tap on reset wallet. And to confirm wallet reset, please enter reset. As you can see here, if you enter small letters, it will not go through. So make sure that you type in capitalized letters. All right, reset. And this red reset button will highlight. Just go ahead and tap on it. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.